Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert unlimited watermark in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. We need to open Microsoft Word first. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Simply click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank document. Now let's put first a watermark. So at the ribbon, you will find this one, this design, this one, design tab. Now in the design tab, you will find this option watermark. Click on this drop down arrow. Now you'll find these watermarks from here, but you can also click on custom watermark and make your picture, your chosen picture as a watermark. Now you'll find here picture watermark. Click on that. Click on select picture. Click on from a file. Now I have this flower right here saved in my Windows. So in your case, you just have to simply look for your image or photo as to where you have saved it from, and then click on insert. In order to make the picture very visible, you just need to simply uncheck wash out and click on apply, and then close this. So now as you can see, now let me minimize this. Okay, so as you can see, whenever you add a watermark, it will just be one. So how we can make this multiple? Okay, it's very easy. You will find this blinking cursor at the top. Double click on that. And this header and footer will appear. And then you just have to click on your image and then resize this. Not that small, but not also very big. Just your requirement. And then drag this here at the beginning. Okay, so as you can see, now once you drag that, locate the control key on your keyboard. Click on control key. And then you have to put the image to the next side. That's it. Click the control key and then place the cursor to the image and drag it sidewards to the right. And that's it. We have created these three images. Now again, in order to put these images to the bottom, we are not going to drag this one by one. So we are going to use these three images as one. So click control key on your keyboard and then press each image 1, 2, 3. And after that, make a right click on the middle and you will have this option grouping. Click on group. And now this is just as one. So in order to put a multiple watermark in this one page, by using these three images, click control key on your keyboard and drag this downward. Drag this downward. And drag this downward. Now, as you can see, we have just created and inserted multiple watermarks in your Microsoft Word. So that's it. As you can see. And if you want to insert a new blank page, you can simply do that. If you want to save it, you can simply click on the save icon. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.